Step 1. Open the door and uninstall the mounting. Step 2. Install the mounting with media player. Step 3. Insert the cable of 1 DC power, 2 Wi-Fi, 3 power cable, for HDMI. Two HDMI ports are both OK. Step 4. Open the switch and power on media player. Wi-Fi is full signal. If you want to only open rocker switch and the media player can turn on directly, please follow the steps. When restart the media player, need to wait at least 30 seconds till the 1 minute to restart. Now just open the rocket switch. The media player can boot directly.